Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see how to make this RC parameter wing. This parameter wing name is LuteFisk. I got this wing plans from RC Adventure. He is a YouTuber and he is very much into this parameter designs. So I will leave you the link in description. You can follow. His instructions is very interesting and very much informative. Yeah, you can. So same thing, I tried what he did, so I just want to show like what I tried. So in this plan, he gave all the information related to the lines, okay, including the length of each and every lines. And you can see here, these are the ribs and these are the panels. So all the information will be there in these files. I will leave you the link of these files. Okay, so I'm saying it's not my design, so I got these plans from RC Adventure. It's a very good plan, so I want to give it a try, so I tried this one. And I'll leave you the build videos of this LuteFisk of that RC Adventures channel in the description. I will leave you the link so you can follow that. So what I did, I've taken printout of all these plans and I cut the templates. Then I'll show you what I did and what and all I used. So for this I am using this material called the ripstop nylon material. You can see. This is ripstop nylon. So actually this will be used for raincoat, to stitch raincoat and all will be used. You can see it. And other side you can see some kind of like a plastic thing. Okay, so this will help this cloth kind of like a waterproof, so no water will come inside because of this. Okay, so I'm using this material, and I will cut my panels on this using soldering iron, because cutting this little difficult. So what you can do is you can place the templates on top of it, so like this. You can place a template on top of it, then you can use the soldering iron just to cut like this. You can put some weight on it, and then using the soldering iron you can cut it. I'll cut the panels and I'll stitch, then I'll be back. I cut all these panels, so cut all these panels. See from close. So it's a total 24 panels. So in the plans you will see only 12. So for other side, just invert this. So this is for the left side. So invert this for right side panels. So if you invert this one, you will get a right side panels. So for right side, you just flip this and cut it. So just reversing the panels what we have. This yellow color is, I just stick those papers on the cardboard, little thick one, so that it will be easy for me to cut the ripstop nylon cloth. This is the right side one. So once cutting is done, so you need to add these ribs in between two panels. So you can see in between 10 and 11 you will have a rib 10. So same way panel 10 and 11 in between you can see. So like this, so in between two panels you will be having one rib. So you don't have any rib here in between this 11 and 12 panels. Okay, so apart from this, everywhere you will have one rib in between. So you can see so 8 and 9 you will have rib number 8, and 9 10 you will have rib number 9, and
10, 11 you will have rib number like 10, like this. You can see you will be having panels in between, you will be having ribs in between these panels. So in between two panels you will find one rib, so you can total you will have 10 ribs. So in between 11 and 10 you will have a rib number 10, and 10 and 9 you will have a rib number 9. Okay, then 9 and 8 you will have a rib number 8, like that. You will be having ribs like rib number 7, rib number 6. Okay, so like this we need to stitch. So stitching also it will be kind of like a easy and difficult based on your experience in sewing. So it should be like this. So while stitching this, you can place it like this. Okay. So you have to stitch. Okay, something like this. Okay, so we have to stitch like this. Okay, so this will help to get the shape, like because of this rib when we stitch now, because we are stitching like this, you will be getting this particular shape. Okay, so these ribs will help to get the airfoil shape. Okay, so like that we need to stitch all these panels. Okay, so while stitching only you need to combine all these together, like at a time one panel. Okay, I stitched all the panels and with ribs, and here you can see the attachment points for the lines. So you can see this entire wing I stitched all the panels and ribs. So it's something like kind of like a pocket shape, you will get it, this airfoil shape you will get it. So yeah, you can watch the stitching videos of RC Adventures. That link is given in a description. You can follow that. He explained in a very nice way, so you can follow that. So this is the top of the wing, you can see it like this. Okay, just please follow his stitching video, so that he explained very nicely, so that easily you can come to know how to do the stitching. So these are the lines I have cut it. So this is A line. See here, these are A lines, A1, A2, A3, like these are A lines, and I'm using braided nylon. So this is B line, B line, and C lines, and D line. These are wingtip, these are brake lines, E. I attached all lines to attachment points, so now it is ready, almost ready. You can see it's a big wing. So yeah, you can see that entire wing. So now what I will do is I will take this out and I'll do some glide test how it is. According to that I need to do some adjustments in the lines. Okay, so just lifting here to show you how it is, how that shape looks like that. Okay, this is the entire wing. So this is the left side, and you can see the attachment points and the lines you can see. Okay, so yeah, now I'll take this out. So I'm doing some glide test to check how good it is, and I need to do some adjustments in the lines to get a proper gliding and all. characteristics. So once I adjusted everything, so I will post you the flying video.